Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm going to show you this Indian classic lemon pickle and mixed pickle. So there was an offer going on in these pickles, like 1+1 special offer. So it's from India. So let's open it. So here comes the mixed pickle and the lemon one is here. So this is the lemon. Wow. With the smell only, you'll feel like, wow. The water will directly come in your mouth by just smelling and opening this bottle. The masala is really nice. I'm not eating full, but I'm just tasting. It's good. What about this one? All the foreigners will be like, so much of oil in pickle, because they only add like vinegar and all. So this is the mix. Some pieces of carrot, mango. See over here, it's carrot, mango is there. Some of these round, I don't know what they call. Really nice taste. The masala is amazing. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more my videos. Thank you friends. Bye bye. Take care.